Hi, today we're gonna make a chop suey. So here are all our ingredients, and the ingredients is on the descriptions. So we have here a chayote and ginger, onion, garlic, green peas, chicken, baby corn, carrots, baby bok choy, green onion, cauliflower, broccoli, some oil, cornstarch help to thickness the chop suey, and black pepper. So now we're gonna start chopping all the vegetables. Don't forget, peel the chayote and also the green peas. Take the end off. Now everything is chopped up. Now we're gonna start cooking. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil above of medium-low heat. Put the garlic in first until well brown. Then add the chicken. Salt. Black pepper. And garlic pepper. Okay, now we're gonna leave this for 5 minutes. Steam. 5 minutes later, we're gonna add the ginger, onion, so leave it for like 1 minute. While waiting for the onion to cook, we're gonna mix the cornstarch to the water. Cornstarch helps to thickness the chop suey. In 1 minute, we're gonna add the carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, chayote, bell pepper, and green peas. Leave it like for 2 minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes. We're gonna add the cornstarch. Slowly pouring it and stir. So leave it until it boils, and we will add the remaining ingredients. We're gonna add the stock of bok choy because the bok choy is hard. So the leaves we're gonna add later. And the baby corn, add on here, and the green onion. So leave it for like 1 minute. It's been 1 minute or so. We're gonna add the remaining ingredients, the leaves of baby bok choy, and turn off the stove. And it's ready. I'm ready to serve. Yummy. Okay, remove from the heat, so that way it's not overcooked. There you go. Now it's done. You can serve with rice and spice you like garlic pepper or lemons and soy sauce. You can eat it without anything if you like, so it's still really good. You should try this recipe.
It's not called sub chewy.
No, I didn't say it's chop. Here's all the ingredients.
Chub?
Chop.
Chub, yeah.
What is that?
And this. What?
Okay.
Yeah, alright.